In this tutorial video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to calculate percentage decreases using a very simple calculator method. So let's take a look at number one. It asks us to decrease $822 by 40%. So we need to be able to understand what that means and how we can translate that into something that we can do on our calculator. So let's have a look. Essentially, what is happening here is I'm going to have 822 and I'm going to subtract from it 40%. That's one way of looking at it. So I need to find 40% of 822. So 40% of 822 is what I need to find out. So how do I do that? It's pretty simple. 40% of 822, for my calculator, all I need to type in is 40, this of means times, 822, and then use the percent button. So let's have a look at how that plays out when I use a calculator. So 40% of 822, so 40 of is times 822% equals. So 40% of 822 is 328.8. Okay, so I've just put that in there. Now, at this point, you've got two choices. You can either use your calculator to type in 822 minus 328.8, and you just clear your calculator and type that in, push equals, and yes, you will get the correct answer. If you want to be a little bit more sophisticated than that, you can, at this stage, instead of clearing everything and starting from zero again and just typing all that in, you can just use some of the functions on the calculator. So add 328.8 to memory, clear, and then just go 822 minus memory recall, and you get this answer here. So the final answer that we should be writing down, however we get that final answer, either we clear it and just go with that, or use our memory function, we should be getting 493.2. The only problem with this answer as given by the calculator is the last bit, 0.2. Because it's money, I need two decimal places. I've only got one here, so fill in the last one with a 0. And this is the final answer, $493.20. Let's take a look at number 2. It says here, decrease 2 meters by 35%. So again, I'll just do it slightly differently to above. Essentially, I'm going to go 2, this is the 2 meters, by, to multiply, 35%. So I'm just going to type that into the calculator. So 2 multiplied by 35% equals 0.7. So again, all I need to do is go with 2 minus 0.7. And you might be able to do that mentally. I'll do it with the calculator. I'll commit that to memory, clear it, and 2 minus memory recall equals 1.3. So this answer here becomes 1.3. Use the unit of measurement, so include that in your final answer, as you always should. And that is the final answer, 1.3 meters. So that's how you can use your calculator to calculate percentage decreases. You find the percentage of the amount, and then you subtract whatever that number is from the original amount.